like freaking 40 minutes away from town.
Was it like Lutz or Newport Richie?
My cat Cheddar is being a whore.
I went all over Tampa because we shot everywhere. I hate it. It's all a giant strip mall. I'm sorry.
No, that's true. I'll give it that. The downtown
The
area,
only
like,
highlight of my life was the plaza with the Whole Foods and the Nordstrom.
yeah,
Cheddar.
Had a Nordstrom rack and a Whole Foods.
Cheddar, come here.
that would have been International Plaza. Had a Cheesecake Factory too, because that's where I
No,
worked.
it was small. It was off of this main road.
I'm very jealous. Look at this. Look at this. He's sitting on everybody's lap but mine.
You know what's up.
Yes, I
Look
do.
at this. Everybody but me. Cheddar.
He sleeps like every day. You know what we should have brought for dessert? The Max Bernard's chocolate things. Those were good.
Look at this. Oh my God.
Oh, take a picture.
I'm so upset. Why is he with you and not with me?